Good morning, my name is Varun and I'll teach basics of trigonometry. So trigonometry is derived from the Greek word trignon and metron. Trignon means triangle and metron means measurement. So the measurement of triangle is trigonometry. So first we will study triangle and then we will go to trigonometry. So what is a triangle? When two sides are summed up and they compare with the third side, and if the sum of the two sides is greater than the third side, then they can form a triangle. So if we take 1, 2 or 7, they can't form a triangle because 1 plus 2 is 7. 1 plus 2 is less than 7. And we will take 3 and 5, yes, they can form a triangle because 8 is nowadays 7, now it is greater than 8, 7. What is a right angle triangle? So because we are going to study trigonometry, we have to deal with right angle triangle. Suppose we take 3 sides and square them, a square, b square and c square. So, and if we sum the two smaller sides, so two smaller sides are summed and they are compared with the third side, and if they are equal, a square plus b square is equal to c square, then we can say this is a right angle triangle. So how does a right angle triangle look like? It looks like this. One angle is 90, this angle is 90 degree, and this other two angles are undefined. So this is suppose any angle theta, and if this angle is theta, then the opposite side will be called perpendicular. The opposite side to 90 degree will be called hypotenuse, and this will be called the base of the right angle triangle. Now, based on this, we have some trigonometric functions like sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. And the inverse of sin is cosec theta, inverse of cos is sec theta, inverse of tan is cot theta. Now, the values of these functions are based on this triangle. So sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta is perpendicular upon base. Now, cosec theta, which is inverse of the sin theta, will be equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. This will be equal to hypotenuse upon base, and the cot theta, which is inverse of tan theta, will be equal to base upon perpendicular. Now, why do we need sin theta, cos theta? What was wrong in our universe without sin theta and cos theta? Let's understand. So suppose we have a circle and we have a cute insect here traveling along this circular path, and we will draw this circular path, and we will draw the circle in this rectangular angle. And so suppose the insect is traveling from here to here. Let's suppose this angle is 30, so we will plot it here. This will be 30 value. Now the insect has moved from here to here. This will be 60 degree, suppose 60 degree, and it will come here. The projection will come here. Now the insect has moved from here to here. This is 90 degree. Now this value will be projected here. Now when the insect will move from here to here, the graph will move from here to here. When the insect will move from here to here, the graph will move from here to here. When the insect will move from here to this point, starting point, the graph will move from here to here. Now this is 30, this is 60, this is 90, and there is 45 in between. The values of sin 30 is 1 by root 2. This is 1 by 2, this is 1 by root 2, and sin 30 is root 3 by 2. So we can say when an insect is traveling in this fashion, or something is oscillating and repeating its pattern again and again and again and again, then that whole thing can be symbolized in the function sine. So that's why we need sine. So one more thing, that sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 40 is 1 by root 2. Why? How will we remember them? These fancy values, we have a trick for it. Okay, so sin theta, cos theta, we have tan theta, we have cosec theta, inverse of sin theta, we have inverse of cos, that is sec theta, and inverse of tan, that is cot theta. And we will take it like this: 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Now I will write some numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will divide this number by 4, by 4, by 4, by 4, by 4, and then I will square root them. Now 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and 1. This is the value of sine at different angles, 0, 30, 40 and so on. Now how will we get the value of cos? Duplicated here, 1 root 3 by 2, it will go like this here, 1 by 2 and 0. Now how will we get the values of tan? See, tan is basically sine by cos. So when we divide 0 by 1, we'll get 0. It will be 1 by root 3, it will be 1, it will be root 3 and that will be 1 by 0. Now what is 1 by 0? See, if you divide 5 by 0.2, what will you get? You will get 25. That means if you decrease the denominator, the value of the fraction will increase. Now if you have decreased this value to 0, can you imagine the value of fraction it will get? It will go to lakhs and crores, and that to the value that we don't know. Like, so we have given a name for this, that is undefined. So if something upon 0, that is undefined. So we'll come to cosec. Cosec is inverse of sine. This is 0 by 1, that is 1 by 0, that is undefined. And root 2, 2 root 2, 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3, and it will be 1. Now we'll come to cos. That is 1, 2 by root 3, that is root 2, that is 2, and 0 by 1 again undefined. Cot, we'll come to cot, which is inverse of tan. That will 0 by 1, that is again equal to infinite with the same reference. It will be root 3, it will be 1, it will be 1 by root 3, and it is 1 by 0, that will become 0 by 1. And when we do the inverse, it will become 0 by 1 and that will be 0. Thank you.